time, and the two dogs making the most amount of noise is Little Peanut, who wants to eat, and he's barking at me. And of course, there is Mimi barking at me. Unfortunately, Mimi can't hear me, so she can just keep on barking, but there is Peanut and Mimi making all of the noise. Yeah, they're making all the noise. There's Raja. She decided to chime in too. There's Riot just waiting over there, but there's the two noisemakers. And I thought that I'd just videotape the two noisemakers because they want to eat. And there's Mimi barking away. She was so quiet until she started feeling better, and now here she is, barking away. Okay, I better feed them because I can't take the barking anymore.